I'm gonna debunking EAS alarm part 3. Let's get started. Afghanistan verdict, real. This is the part of the siren system for Afghanistan. United States verdict, real. This is a lot of EAS alarm, as TV or radio. Albania verdict, fake. This is just a NOAA alert. Algeria verdict, unknown. I couldn't find in this information, comment down below. Angola verdict, fake. This is just a stock siren or something? Antigua and Barbuda verdict, fake. What sound is this? I hear Brunei, but it's slow pitch. Argentina verdict, fake. Originates from a mock.
Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro.
Argentina alt verdict, real. It's too loud and part of the siren system. Armenia verdict, unknown. I couldn't find in this information, comment down below. Araba verdict, fake. It's just an iPhone alarm. And what sound is this?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.